Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how to add an affiliate link to your Stan store. Please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little different. So yeah, before starting, make sure that you have your affiliate URL ready and your Stan store is set up. So first, you will have to go to your Stan store dashboard. So you have to log in first or sign up if you don't have an account yet. And yeah, once you already have your account, just go to the dashboard and then you will click products and then you will select add new product and then you will choose link product from the list and then you will then paste your affiliate link in the URL box. And then you will add a title, a short description, and optional thumbnail image to make it appealing. And you can also include a short note like earn cashback or limited time offer. And once you're done, you will just click publish product and your affiliate link will now appear on your Stan store as a clickable button that leads directly to your partner's page. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I really hope it was helpful for you, and if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.